My Coaster Alley Refreshments. This place is dope. I'm about to grab a beer. Coasters and brews. Bam! We're out here. We are at Silverwood. We never thought we'd be here. We're in the middle of Idaho. What? Gabby, show the views. We're at Coaster Alley Refreshments. Underwhelming name for a bar, I know, but I promise you, this bar is in the middle of Silverwood. So when you come in, it's weird. It's like got some funky T-shape where if you go to the right, there's not much there. There's like a theater and like some place to eat. But if you go to the left, the whole park's pretty much to the left. This sits kind of in the middle of the park, right where Timber Terror and Tremors are. So if you're ever thinking like the only place you can get a beer here is the High Moon Saloon, it's not. It's actually Coaster Alley Refreshments. It is not, well, at least I don't think I saw this on the website. So this place must be pretty new this year. But yeah, super cool. Nice theming over here with the stagecoach kind of thing going on. And I have a Blue Moon. But yeah, offers a nice variety of beer. Definitely worth the stop out if you're in Silverwood. So I got confused when I was here. I thought you had to go all the way to the other bar for a beer every time. You don't. This place is in the middle of the park. Totally worth the stop out. Come check it out. The bartender is super nice. Let's go. Cheers. Bang.